How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows onto a USB, and if you guys are just trying to get Windows on your computer so you can start using it, this is a free way to do so. It just won't be activated. So basically what that means is you'll have a little watermark on the bottom and you won't be able to change your background. That's about it. But if you guys do plan on activating Windows, I will have a link down below to a company that sells Windows 10 Pro keys for very cheap. Basically, these people are selling unused license keys that big companies would purchase in bulk, and then whatever's left over, they would sell for some extra money. It's not exactly how things are supposed to work, but it still happens. It's a lot better than spending $100 on Windows 10, so it's an option. Also, the very first link down below will be the website that you guys will need to use, and it's a Microsoft website. It's free, and it's not harmful, I promise you. So let's go ahead and go to that website and I'll show you guys what to do next. So if you guys don't want to actually click on my link, all you guys have to look up is Windows 10 Installation Media. Then you're going to go down to right here and click Download Tool Now. You guys are basically downloading a Microsoft program that will make your USB bootable. So instead of having the little CD that comes with Windows, you guys could just do this. So if you guys ever lose your little USB or disk with Windows on it, you guys don't need to buy it again. If your computer's already been activated with Windows 10, all you guys need to do is download Windows 10 for free and then reinstall it, and it'll just be fine, trust me. All right, so click on Download Tool. Now you're gonna open it up. You're gonna click Yes because we trust Microsoft. And before we go much further, you guys will need a 16 gigabyte USB. Ideally 3.0, it might help with some of the installation times if your computer has access to USB 3.0 ports. Alright, so now just click Accept, and it's going to try and find the USB that doesn't exist right now. So I'm going to try and find a way to plug this into the back of my PC. Alright, so I just plugged that USB in. Now we're going to click right here, Create Installation Media for the USB, DVD, or just an ISO file. So just click this and click Next. So down here, this is basically just confirming what you are installing onto your USB. Just click Next. So this is important. You guys need to select your USB flash drive. And it does actually say here that you can use an 8 gigabyte USB. I have had some trouble with that in the past. Maybe it's fine now. I usually try and use a 16 gigabyte USB, but if all you guys have is the 8 gig, you guys can use that. You probably will be fine, but personally, I just must have had some bad luck in the past. So just click Next. And right here, it's showing you the drive. So just tap on the drive because you're selecting that one, and anything that is on this will be wiped. You're gonna have to format your card because they're gonna make this ISO file bootable. So after you click Next, it's gonna go through this whole process and it's gonna slowly make your USB into a Windows 10 bootable device. And I'll catch back up with you guys at the very end so we can kind of make sure that everything is set and ready to be used. Alright, so now everything is finished installing. So all we have to do is click Finish and it's going to load here. And it's basically all you need to do. So just to be safe, what we're going to do before we yank the USB out of there is we are going to right click it and then click Eject. And then feel free to take the USB out. So at this point, you guys have a USB with Windows 10 installed, so all you guys have to do is turn on your PC with this plugged in, go to the boot menu and click this, and it will install, easy as that. If you guys do have the activation key, this will eventually prompt you for that. If you guys don't have it, just skip it and activate Windows later. Anyways, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys slap that like button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.